Howdy guys, in today's video we'll be looking at line styles using VinylCut 5. So this video and more videos like this can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We've got quite a range of different softwares we do cover, and we do also upload daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back here in the program. Now to set your line styles, this will be once the cutter gets to the line, it will understand how to cut it. So if you want to cut one of those jagged ones where you have to kind of tears out, then what you can do is you just select your object. Then we go to the fill and stroke panel here on the right, the little canvas art palette, and then then at the bottom here you'll see we find line styles. Now if we click here, we can see we've got quite a variety of different options we can choose. So just the first one, now you can see if we click here on preview on top, then you'll see it's going to be cutting it in that manner. So then it is also possible to set custom line styles. And to do that, you'll be going to the same place you've selected your line style, and you go to edit. Now I'll pop up this little menu for you where you can see we've got dash, gap, dash, gap, dash, gap. So the gap will be the space between the lines, and the dash will be the length of the line. So then and they do repeat. So once it reaches the last one, we'll repeat it. So let's just quickly set a few custom ones here. It's going to keep all the dashes the same, all the gaps the same. Now on top here you can see, okay, now we did something wrong with one of our gaps, it looks like. Oh no, there we go. Okay, so now you see we've got a 5 line here, or 5 dash, excuse me, 3 gap, 10 dash, 20 gap, another 3 gap, 20 dash or 40 dash, and then just repeats itself. And a note to keep in mind is, let's say all of these are set to 0. Now once it gets to a 0, it will automatically just repeat the digit in front of that, or the digits. So you'll see, so if we swap this one, let's say to 10, then I'll switch those to 10. Now if we go and switch, once it hits a 0, it cancels all the rest behind that. So if we set a number here, let's make this like 40, you'll notice nothing happens. So just keep that in mind. So you can set a custom, and then you can have it will only repeat the first 2 here. Then yeah, so just keep that in mind, otherwise you might get quite confused why it's not working. And then if you have something you like, you can always just go add it, and now it will be under your line styles. So you can go here at the bottom and select it. Otherwise, that's the basics on line style. So if we just head to our website here quick. So if you navigate to softwaretraining.co.za, then you can find this video and more videos like this, and you'll see we've got quite a range of different softwares we do cover. We also have a search option if you're looking for something specific, and if you do not find what you're looking for, you're welcome to send a request for a training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and cheers.